guys, Justin here, and we're back with another video, and today we're going to be doing WWE finishers to this stuffed animal. Here we go. Top 10. First up, Pedigree. Next up is the F-Pop. AA, aka Attitude Adjustment. Superman Punch. Skull Crushing Finale. Running Power Slam. Sister Abigail. Spear. Stunner. Twist and RKO. One second, guys. Alright, guys, we're still going. Okay, Tombstone. Chokeslam. KO Punch. Styles. Styles. What do you guys say? 1 second. Say hi to my dog, Benny. That's Benny. Benny, say hi. Hi. Dirty Deeds. Last but not least, Bye guys, leave a like and subscribe. Peace.